Today, we are going to talk about something that's really cool and exciting, Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin, you ask? Let me tell you all about it in a way that you can easily understand. Bitcoin is like digital money that you can use to buy things just like you use your real money to buy candy at the store. But instead of having physical coins or bills, Bitcoin is stored on a computer. That's why some people call it virtual money or digital currency. It all started in 2009, when a mysterious person named Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin as a new type of money that doesn't need a bank or government to control it. Nobody knows for sure who Satoshi Nakamoto is. It could be a person or a group of people, but they're kind of like a superhero that created something really amazing. Bitcoin is considered the main form of cryptocurrency because it was the first one ever created and it's also the most well-known. Just like how Mickey Mouse is the most famous cartoon character, even though there are lots of other great ones out there. Bitcoin has been around for over a decade and has proven to be a reliable and secure way to store and send money online. It has also been used by lots of people around the world, so it has a big following. Just like how everyone loves pizza, even though there are lots of other types of food out there. There are other cryptocurrencies out there too, like Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dogecoin, but they are not as well known as Bitcoin. It's like how you might have other favorite toys besides your favorite one, but your favorite one is still your favorite. Overall, Bitcoin is the main form of cryptocurrency because it was the first one created, it's the most well-known, and it has a lot of special features that make it unique and valuable. Just like how you might be the main character in your favorite story because you have special qualities that make you stand out. Bitcoin is stored on a computer and is made up of special codes and numbers that people can use to send and receive it from anywhere in the world. These codes and numbers are like a secret password that only you and the person you're sending it to know. One of the coolest things about Bitcoin is that it's anonymous, which means you don't have to give your name or personal information when you use it. It's like wearing a mask when you go to a costume party, nobody knows who you are. Bitcoin can be used to buy lots of things online, like toys, video games, and even pizza. Some companies even accept Bitcoin as a form of payment, just like they accept regular money. Another cool thing about Bitcoin is that it's limited, which means there's only a certain amount of it in the world. This makes it valuable, just like how rare toys can be really expensive. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence. People can get Bitcoin by solving complex math problems using powerful computers. This is called mining and it's like digging for treasure. The more math problems you solve, the more Bitcoin you can get. But don't worry, you don't have to be a miner to get Bitcoin. You can also buy it from other people or companies that sell it. It's like trading your lunch with your friend, but instead of trading food, you're trading money. Bitcoin is like a secret code that only you and the person you're sending it to know. This makes it really hard for bad guys to steal it. It's like having a secret handshake with your best friend that nobody else knows. Some people believe that Bitcoin is the money of the future, and that one day we'll all be using it instead of regular money. It's like how people used to barter with chickens and cows for things they needed, but now we use money. Bitcoin is also really fast and easy to send to someone, no matter where they are in the world. It's like sending a text message, but with money. You can send Bitcoin to your friend who lives on the other side of the world in just a few seconds. Some people use Bitcoin to invest, which means they buy it and hope that the value will go up over time, so they can sell it for more money later. It's like buying a toy that you think will be really popular in the future, and then selling it for more money when it becomes rare. The future of Bitcoin is really exciting, because it could change the way we think about money and how we use it. It's like how cars change the way we travel, or how phones change the way we communicate with each other. Some people are even working on making Bitcoin more eco-friendly, so it doesn't use up as much energy when people mine it. It's like turning off the lights when you go out of a room to save electricity, but on a much bigger scale. In summary, Bitcoin is like digital money that's stored on a computer and can be used to buy things online. It's anonymous, limited, and can be obtained through mining or buying it from others. People believe that Bitcoin is the money of the future and it could change the way we use money. Overall, Bitcoin is a really cool and exciting technology that's worth learning more about.